it's Nabila with Mailmint. Did you know Mailmint has an integration with Elementor Forms? That's right. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Elementor Forms to bring leads to your Mailmint contacts. So let's have a look at how you can do that. To use the Elementor Form with Mailmint, you need to have Mailmint Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. You also need to have Elementor installed and activated. Now, in this case, I have already done that, and now I'm going to show you how you can use the Elementor Form with Mailmint. So first, I'm going to go and create a page, or you can also use it in a post if you want. But I'm simply going to click on Add New Page, and I'm going to edit it with Elementor. So now I'm going to search for the form here. So let's search form. So here is the Elementor form that I'm going to use currently. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Now you can see that this is basically my lead form that I'm going to use to collect leads. So I don't need the message for now. Now what I'm going to do now is go to Actions after Submit. So if I click on this, you can see that the first option here is Mailmint. So this will usually appear when you have Mailmint installed and activated, all right? So I'm simply going to click on Mailmint, and then you can see that another tab has appeared here. This is basically a drop down, and if you click on this, you can see that now you get the option to select lists. So basically what happens here is if you select a specific list here, whenever a lead submits this form, they will be assigned that specific list. So let's say I'm going to add the new lead list here, all right? Then I have to map the fields, the form fields to my existing Mailmint fields. Now what I'm going to do is map the email field to my email of Mailmint. And then I'm going to field the first name to the existing first name field. Then I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Now let's view it in an incognito tab. So this is basically the form, all right? So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my automations module. So if I go here, you can see that I can create a new automation from here. I'm going to click on Start from Scratch. Then I'll give it a title. Now, if I click on Select a Starting Point, you can see that there's an option called Added to List. Now, if I go back, you'll be able to see that this form is assigned to the new lead list. So, if I select New Lead and add some following actions here. So let's say I am going to send an email to whoever submits that Elementor form and is assigned to the new lead list. So I'm just gonna select a demo email here. So let's say I'm going to use this email, and then I'm going to click on Next and click on Start Workflow. And now I'm going to submit the form from front end, and I'm going to show you whether that lead gets added to my Mailmint contact list or not. Head back and open the page from an incognito tab. So this is my page. Let's open it in an incognito window. So this is basically the form. So let's say I am going to add something here. This is just a demo email, and I'm simply gonna click on Send. You can see that my submission was successful here. So let's head back and let's see if that lead has been added to my Mailmint contact list or not. So let's go to my Mailmint contacts. You can see that Nabila@mailmint.com has been added to the new lead list, and it has the status of subscribed since I have not enabled the double opt-in option. And let's have a look at whether I have been sent an email or not. So if I go to my mails, you can see that I have received a welcome email from Mailman. It's a minute ago, and if I open this was the email that I have selected in that automation. So since I haven't added any delay to the automation, the email was sent immediately after I was assigned to that specific list. So that's it. Here's how you can use the Elementor Forms to bring leads to your Mailman and then create email automations to nurture them and convert them into paying customers. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.